We are advancing into an intelligent new era. Just like its imagination, the human society is developing at blazing fast speeds. AI has been the catalyst behind this transformation, driving boundless possibilities and business potential. Huawei Intelligent Computing is committed to building a fully connected, intelligent world and becoming the best partner for customers in their digital and intelligent transformation journeys. Chips have become the pivotal driver of technology innovation. Computing is extending to every part of the world around us. Intelligence is bound to profoundly change the future. Huawei Intelligent Computing has served over 5,000 customers worldwide, covering more than one-third of the world's population. Looking forward, Huawei Intelligent Computing will build on chip, AI, and architecture innovations to provide solutions for industries, helping customers succeed in the intelligent era. Huawei Intelligent Computing will join with ecosystem partners to deliver more intelligent power and help our customers embrace innovation-inspired growth. Bring pervasive computing and intelligence through chip-inspired innovations.